The Ztuzauto wireless CarPlay and Android Auto AI Box, available on Aliexpress, offers a sophisticated solution for owners of Land Rover, Jaguar, Range Rover, Evoque, and Discovery models. This advanced device not only brings the convenience of wireless connectivity but also supports a range of features that make it a standout accessory for modern vehicles. The Ztuzauto AI Box allows for wireless CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, eliminating the need for cumbersome cables. This feature ensures a clutter-free and convenient interface, making it easier for drivers to access navigation, music, and other smartphone functionalities directly from their car's infotainment system. One of the standout features of the Ztuzauto AI Box is its automatic call correction function. This feature ensures that the call quality is consistently high, automatically adjusting settings to minimize any disruptions or issues that may arise during a call. This makes it a reliable tool for maintaining clear communication while driving. The AI Box connects via USB, providing a straightforward installation process. Once connected, it enhances the car's multimedia capabilities, allowing for smooth playback of various media formats. Additionally, it supports USB navigation, providing drivers with an enhanced and responsive navigation experience, crucial for long trips and daily commutes alike. Digital signal processing DSP technology is integrated into the AI Box, which ensures superior audio quality. This technology enhances sound clarity and fidelity, providing an immersive audio experience whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or taking calls. The installation of the Ztuzauto AI Box is designed to be user-friendly, requiring connection through the car's USB port. Detailed instructions are provided to ensure a smooth installation process, even for those who may not have extensive technical knowledge. Once installed, the device interfaces seamlessly with the car's existing systems, providing immediate access to its range of features.